Hi friends, this is a video for the aspirants of UGC NET SET PGT KVS English Literature. Here I have given 15 test questions and some related details. So watch till the end, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. The phrases motiveless, malignant and reason in madness are matched with the characters Iago and King Lear. These two characters you can see it in Shakespeare play Iago in Othello and Lear in King Lear. In Tristram Shandy, the narrator's presentation of his life is digressive. This is a novel written by Lawrence Sterne in the year 1759 and it consists of 9 volumes. When I consider how my light is spent was the sonnet written by John Milton and it is the sonnet number 19 and it was published in 1673. Actually it was taken from the autograph notebook of Milton named Trinity Manuscript. Adila's cave experience is given in A Passage to India. This is a novel written by E.M. Forster and it says about the British Raj and the independence movement in India during the year 1920. The expurgation of indelicate language is called as bowdlerize. Bowdlerize means removing the improper text in the language. They prefer to use empire rather than imperialism. Who are they? The answer is Michael Hardit and Antonio Negri. Both of them are the post-Marxist philosophers and they have written this work in mid-1990 and published during the year 2000. Kenyan Review and Southern Review are the two critical journals strongly associated with the New Criticism. New Criticism is taken its form in America and the notable critics are I.A. Richards, F.R. Lewis, Alan Tate. The Anatomy of Melancholy was written by Robert Burton. Melancholy was nothing but sad mood and he has written and discussed mostly about the depression of the people in this work. Glories, like glowworms, afar off shine bright, but look to near have neither heat nor light. These lines are taken from the play The White Devil, written by John Webster. The play was initially a bluff when it was first staged in the year 1612. In Franz Kafka's Metamorphosis, Gregor Samsa's most difficult thing was to communicate with anyone. Franz Kafka is a 20th century Bohemian novelist. He always liked to fuse the work realism and fantastic. Bazarov in Fathers and Sons is a nihilist. Fathers and Sons was written by Ivan Turgenev. He was a Russian novelist and he always used to write the everyday life. Eugene Onegin is a novel considered as a classic of Russian literature. It tells about a story of a selfish hero who rejects the love of a young lady. The Epic of Gilgamesh is an epic poem from ancient Mesopotamia. Tells about the hero who fights against the death. American Dictionary Noah Webster was published in the year 1828. The Hungry Tide is a work by the author Amitav Ghosh, an important writer. In this text, he tells about the refugee occupation of an island in the Sundarbans. These questions are really important in your preparation of NET, SET and PGT exams. So those who have watched this video, kindly share it among your fellow aspirants, and I thought of to upload more videos like this. Watch it till the end, and don't skip the video while you're watching any educational video. Thank you.